IQOO Neo 10 Pro, launched today, is a flagship phone packed with exciting features. It comes with a fast refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display, a flagship processor, a Q2 independent display chip, a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, fast charging, and more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and in-depth review of the IQOO Neo 10 Pro, which has just been released. Hey guys, Maiky here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the IQOO Neo 10 Pro box in black. Removing the plastic wrap, you can see the reflective phone branding on top of the box. Opening the lid, the first thing you'll find is the phone itself, available in an orange-gray color. Looking at the rest of the box contents, there's a transparent case, although over time, transparent cases tend to turn yellow. You also get a 120-watt power adapter with Type-C output, a high-quality Type-C to Type-C data cable, and finally a SIM ejector tool. Talking about the design of the IQOO Neo 10 Pro, it looks quite similar to the previous generation. Earlier, the cameras were separate, but this time they are placed together. The edges of the camera module are slightly raised, which might give the impression of RGB lights like the IQOO 13, but there are no lights here. The camera bump isn't too big, and the camera module doesn't take up much space on the back. Whether you hold the phone horizontally or vertically, it doesn't feel awkward. This makes it comfortable for long gaming sessions in landscape mode. The phone is thin and lightweight, and the company calls this color Rally Orange Glass. The back features a red and orange contrast, a color scheme introduced for the first time in the IQOO Neo 10 series. Talking about the display, the IQOO Neo 10 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The bezels are narrower compared to the previous generation. The top, left, and right bezels are just 1.4mm thin, while the bottom chin measures 1.9mm. This time, the screen quality has improved significantly. It uses F1 light-emitting material and supports 8T LTPO technology. The display also features 255 or 92 Hz pulse width modulation, PWM dimming, and supports up to 320 Hz PWM dimming for smoother brightness adjustments, along with a DC-like dimming feature. As mentioned, the resolution is 1.5K, and the screen's strongest points are its ultra-high brightness and excellent eye protection features. The brightness test shows that the IQOO Neo 10 Pro screen offers a global maximum brightness of over 1900 nits, reaching up to 1985 nits. This is impressive, as many flagship phones only provide a maximum brightness of around 1100 nits. This means the IQOO Neo 10 Pro will have excellent visibility outdoors and in sunlight, making content on the display very clear. It's also one of the most eye-friendly screens available, with a minimum brightness (SCM) value as low as 2 nits. This screen provides top-level eye protection, whether at low or full brightness. Even in extremely low light, you won't feel eye strain while using the phone. Now, talking about the IQOO Neo 10 Pro's performance, it is powered by the Dimensity 9400 flagship processor, built on a 3nm platform. It also includes the Q2 self-developed display chip. For gaming, the performance is impressive. While playing King of Glory at the highest settings for 30 minutes, the phone achieves an average frame rate of 121.6 FPS, and the maximum temperature only reaches 34 degrees Celsius. However, King of Glory isn't a very heavy game. Testing a more demanding game like Start Dome Railway at high settings for 30 minutes, the phone achieves an average frame rate of 58.8 FPS with a maximum temperature of 41.8 degrees Celsius. For another heavy game, Genshin Impact, at higher settings for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is 60.4 FPS, and the maximum temperature reaches 42.4 degrees Celsius. This shows that the phone manages temperature control quite well, even during heavy gaming sessions. Even during heavy gaming, you can make video calls without any performance issues. In an extreme test, playing Genshin Impact in Sumeru City, the phone achieves an average frame rate of 59.8 FPS. Compared to other flagship phones, it delivers top-level performance. The frame rate graph also shows stability, and the maximum temperature reaches only 41.5 degrees. Overall, the gaming performance is excellent. IQOO has added an extraordinary feature for gamers. When charging the phone during gaming, there's an option that directs power straight to the motherboard instead of the battery. This technology helps reduce heat and ensures the highest performance. Now, let's compare this with the Xiaomi 15 Pro, a flagship phone running on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Through a gaming test, as we saw, The IQOO Neo 10 Pro achieves an average frame rate of 57.1 FPS in Star Iron, while the Xiaomi 15 Pro reaches only 56.1 FPS. The Xiaomi 15 Pro also faces more frame drops. The IQOO Neo 10 Pro's bypass power feature improves performance, taking it to the next level. It also comes with the self-developed Q2 chip, which delivers PC-level performance. You can play games at 1.5K resolution with an ultra 144Hz refresh rate. Here, you can compare the gaming performance between 1.5K resolution and regular resolution. The details are much clearer, and the graphics are more detailed. There's no noticeable delay during gameplay. You can even play PUBG Mobile on this phone at 1.5K resolution with a 144Hz refresh rate. The average frame rate is 143.32 F, which is almost the highest level of performance. During gaming, the phone's temperature only goes up to 39.3 degrees Celsius. The IQOO Neo 10 Pro comes with a 6100 mAh Blue Ocean dual-cell battery and supports 120 watts fast charging. After 3 hours of medium to heavy use, the battery still has 46% remaining, offering a total endurance of 11 hours and 43 minutes. The phone's battery performance is impressive, and with the 120-watt fast charging support, it can charge the battery from 0% to 100% in just 36 minutes. The phone also supports 100-watt PD and PPS charging, meaning you can fast charge the phone using a third-party PD charger. Overall, the IQOO Neo 10 Pro offers one of the best combinations of top fast charging and battery endurance in the industry. As for the OS, it comes with Origin OS 5, based on Android 15. The OS is fast, smooth, and includes many AI features, which I will discuss in more detail in a future video. The IQOO Neo series is more affordable compared to other flagship phones. Multitasking on the phone is very smooth, and the touch response and animations are extremely smooth and silky. It also features an ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor that unlocks the phone with a single tap, offering a next-level unlocking experience. The IQOO Neo 10 Pro has a rear dual-camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization, and the secondary camera is also 50 megapixels with an ultra-wide lens. You can see simple photos taken with this setup. The IQOO Neo 10 Pro's price starts at 3,199 Chinese yuan for the base variant, which is around £347 in the UK and $442 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone offers a great display with the highest refresh rate and LTPO support. The performance is next level, as seen in the tests. However, there is some cost-cutting in the build, as the phone's frame is made of plastic. The battery and charging speed are also fast. So, what do you think about the IQOO Neo 10 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling. And I'll see you in the next video.